Welcome to this lesson on the change of base formula in algebra. In this video, we will learn how to convert logarithms from one base to another. This is an essential skill, especially when you need to calculate logarithms using a standard calculator that might not have buttons for every base. Before we dive in, let's quickly review what a logarithm is. A logarithm is simply the inverse of an exponent. When we write log base b of x equals y, we are asking, to what power must we raise the base b to get the value x? These two forms, logarithmic and exponential, are interchangeable. So why do we need a formula to change the base? The problem lies in our tools. Most standard scientific calculators only have two logarithm buttons, the common log, which is base 10, and the natural log, which is base e. If you encounter a problem like log base 5 of 50, you won't find a base 5 button on your calculator. This is where we need a way to translate that expression. Here is the solution, the change of base formula. It states that log base b of x is equal to the log of x divided by the log of b, the new base, represented here by k, can be any base you want. Typically, we choose base 10 or base e because those are the buttons we have on our calculators. Let's visualize how this transformation works to make it easier to remember. Notice the positions of the variables. The argument x, which is on the main line, goes to the numerator on top. The base, b, which is a subscript, goes to the denominator on the bottom. A simple way to remember this is, the base goes to the bottom. Let's try an example. Suppose we need to calculate log base 5 of 50. Since we don't have a base 5 button, we will use the common log, or base 10. We rewrite the expression as the log of 50 divided by the log of 5. Using a calculator, log 50 is approximately 1.69, and log 5 is approximately 0.69. Dividing these gives us a final answer of approximately 2.43. Now, let's solve the exact same problem, but this time using the natural log, or ln, but we rewrite the expression as the natural log of 50 divided by the natural log of 5. While the individual values for the numerator and denominator are different from the previous slide, the ratio is identical. We still get approximately 2.43. This proves you can use either but. You might be wondering, where does this formula come from? Let's walk through a quick proof. First, we set our expression equal to y, then we convert it to exponential form. B to the power of y equals x. Next, we take the logarithm of both sides using our new base k. Using the power rule of logarithms, we move the exponent y to the front. Finally, we isolate y by dividing both sides by log of b, giving us our formula. A very common mistake students make is confusing the division of logs with the log of a quotient. Please remember, log base b of x is equal to the log of x divided by the log of b. It is not equal to the log of x divided by b. The entire logarithm must be in the numerator and the denominator. To summarize, the change of base formula is a powerful tool that allows you to calculate logarithms of any base using a standard calculator. Just remember that the original base goes to the bottom of the fraction, and you can choose either the common log or natural log to perform the calculation. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.